that out. I don't want anything to ruin this banana cake for me. Because each time I bake it, what's wrong with me on the shelf today? Each time I bake it, I get perfect result, and that is exactly what I'm expecting today as well. No difference. So in we go. I think something is definitely wrong with me on the shelves today, because normally just one crack and I'm good to go, but each egg I crack, I seem to leave a piece of the shell behind. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to add my oil to this. And I'm just going to whisk this up. I have my hand mixer over there, but I think I need to whisk this before, because I don't want the mess today, guys. I hate having to clean up after cooking something, like, you know, so I clean as I go along when I'm in the kitchen doing something. So I'm trying to limit the amount of cleanup I will have to do today. So just give this just a quick whisk. Just trying to get all of that in there. See, tell you about me and the cleanup. This thing is so full, I should have gotten a bigger bowl. So let's just add this in. And we're just going to add parts at a time. So put that down. And just try to get this goodness incorporated with the dry ingredients. This wasn't a favorite of mine, but I seem to get to like banana bread somehow. I don't know how. Because I'm not a fan of banana. I don't really like the smell. The smell is just too strong. And if you put just a little piece of banana in something, it just takes over the entire whatever you're eating or whatever you're trying to make. So the banana is so strong. But today, as I said, I had this package of banana in the refrigerator, in the freezer bottom, and I decided, hey, let me go ahead and make banana bread for you guys. So tell me if you've ever made banana bread before in the comment section, and do comment and tell me what you would like to see me prepare for you the next time around. And guys, do try this recipe. I'm just going to mix this with my hand mixer now. I think this should eliminate the splash and everything. Seeing that I already mix it with the whisk, should be easier. As I said, I don't want the cleanup, guys. Perfect. Just made a mess though. First time I'm making so much banana bread, but I'm going to share to my families and friends. They have been requesting me to bake them. That is why my mom keeps giving me her overripe bananas so I can do this for her. God, my aunt's tired. I need to be eating back the gym. My aunt seems to be getting a lot tired a lot lately. Guys, this mixture is looking great. You guys will love this. And do guys remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comment underneath the video. Let's keep this interactive, right? Don't let me talking to you guys alone and you guys not talking back to me. That's not nice. I think that should be good, guys. Can you see this? The texture of this? And you know, just turn it like this. to ensure that the flour is reaching everywhere in the pan, and just knock out that excess flour. So like this, my flour. Ensure that it is well placed in the pan. As I said, I will be sharing with my friends and family, so I don't want anyone to be left out. And my family is very, very, very big. Friend is not so big, but family, my family is large. A large family. So guys, I think that is good for my pans. So let me just take this excess flour out. So this is what I'm saying. Let it look like this. And then I will just pour my mixture in. Guys, this is so freaking heavy. So that's one. And this is two. And this is three. Almost miss, guys. Almost make a big mess. Those raisins are looking so lovely. I love raisin. Did I mention that? Love raisin. I don't know what some people say not eat raisin, allergic to raisin or something, but I love it. So I'm just trying. This look like my family will have to share like a slice to each person because I only got 3 out of this, so they will have to share. I'm from a family that loves to share though. Very, very sharing, very caring, very loving and kind. Let me just put this over here and I'll just use my spatula to just kind of get it even in my baking pans. Just kind of smooth it a little bit. I'm feeling great about this banana cake recipe. I'm going to stay optimistic. I'm hoping it won't spoil because, as I said, I've never baked such a large batch before, but I think it will be perfect. Let me just get rid of all of these stuff. So guys, I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for say about half an hour because that's the time it normally takes me to bake them. So, or until you put a toothpick or a knife and it comes out clean, you know that your cakes are baked. So let me just pop this in and stay tuned. Guys, just a little update on my banana cakes. See, they're looking so fluffy and nice. I like it. Guys, go and try this recipe. I tell you, you won't regret it. I'll show you the finished product. So guys, 40 minutes later and my banana breads, they are ready and they're looking oh so lovely and they're so soft and they have this spongy, nice, lightweight sweet, just the way that I like it. When I was giving you guys the ingredients or showing you guys the ingredients before, I left my vanilla out of it, but this, like the raisin, is optional. So if you don't want vanilla or raisin, you don't have to add them in your banana bread, but I like them in mine, so hence the reason why I added raisin and vanilla. So guys, let's take a slice and see how this cake are looking. I keep saying cakes, same thing, right? Banana bread. So let's just put them down flat. And let's just cut into it. I don't like the end. I don't like the end of anything. Even bread, I don't eat the end. I like the middle section. So I'm getting a piece of the middle section. I'll leave the end for Omar. He likes the end, or should we say the eel? He likes that part. But I prefer the middle. So guys, here is the cake, and I'm just going to get a fork so we can just test that. Let me just remove this. So guys, look at this. Look at this. Woo. Soft. This is not sweet because I don't like it too sweet. If you prefer a little more sugar, you can go ahead and add more, but I prefer it just mildly sweet. Guys, try these ingredients. Piece with the raisin. Perfect. I wish like I had some whipped cream or something like that. I could eat it with whipped cream and strawberry. Look at this, guys. Guys, don't watch what I eat. As you see me eating around like the middle of the cake, that's what I do when I'm eating bread or anything. I like to eat in the middle. I'm not a fan of the outside part of breads or pastries on a whole. This is the outside part. Fantastic, guys. Thumbs up. If you're still here with me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and do remember to like, share, and comment. Keep this interactive, guys. Talk to me. May I talk to you? Talk to me. Until next time, walk good.